What's up, everybody? Devin up here and I'm back, and today I got the new Sonos Roam and we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, listen to some music. We're gonna go from R&B to current music, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give a little bit of music for everybody, so I might play something that you might like, might play something that you might not like, but I'm trying to play music for everybody, and we're gonna have some fun with this. Yeah, I know how we do. Throw them threes up for your boy. This is Devin up. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Hey. So we got the Sonos Roam, the portable smart speaker for listening at home and on the go. Works with Apple Airplay, and it's made for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Oh, that's pretty dope. I like how this comes in. So it comes in this cloth-like material. This is actually a sticker, so it seems like you're getting a prize for real. I'm gonna put it to the side right now. Inside, you got the guide. You got a charger, which is USB Type-C. You wearing this gonna come with some nice, fast, great charging. All right, so let's start with the Sonos Roam. Oh, this feels really nice. So this cloth, it's nice. I'm sure it's made out of some nice material, but it don't really feel like it. All right, so here's the Roam itself, and you guys can see all layers right here, just ready to play some nice sound. Look at this. The back feels really smooth, really nice, built. This is nicely made. Yeah, just nice material. Next, we got the guidebook. We're gonna go over there right now. All right, so number one, okay, so this is the power right here. And next is actually the USB Type-C port. Next is to download the Sonos app, so let's do that right now. All right, so I got the app set up, it's already done. So now we're gonna go over the last part of the guide. This is what it can do at a glance. On top it has the play and pause button. So if you press it once, it pauses. If you press it twice, it goes to the next track. And if you press it 3 times, it goes to the previous track. And if you press and hold, it press and hold to group Sonos products. Continue holding to swap audio between them. And also on top, you got the microphone. Press voice assistant and microphone related features. Then lastly, you got the volumes, which is on the side that goes up and down. And that's pretty much it. You got a cool, nice art design. And then you have different languages. If you guys want to see, I'm gonna pause it for you. All right, so let's go over the spec. It plays through the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it has more reach when it comes to playing music or sound on this speaker, which is really great. It has 10 hours of playtime. I wish it was more, but 10 hours, you know, it's not really enough. It has IPX7, which means it has a high water resistance. It can last 30 minutes into water, so that's really good. IPX7 is pretty high. Apple Airplay 2. Play music from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It also has Siri too. All right, so now we all been waiting for. Let's play some music. All right, I'm back. Y'all know what time it is. Time to play some music. And all right, man, I'm your DJ for the night. DJ Up 3, man. Call me DJ Up 3. Call me. What are you gonna call me? DJ Debbie Dare. All right, let's do this. All right, I got y'all, man. I don't wanna be loved, I don't wanna be loved.
I just want a quickie.
No bite marks, no scratches on the pinkies. If you can get with that, mommy, come get with me. I got something for y'all females, man. Nah. This for the city girls. No, I ain't talking about you. You're not a city girl.
Why you got something for the females?
I'm just saying that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at it. Nah, don't dance. Y'all better not be dancing too. Yeah, so that was the Sonos. That was the Sonos Roam. I had fun with that. Hope you guys did too. I play a lot of music. We had some fun on here. That's what we do on this channel. We have fun. Subscribe to me. more videos like this coming soon, whatever comes out. You know, your boy going crazy. I got more coming soon. I'm going up. See my subscribers going up. I thank you guys for following me. I thank you guys for subscribing to me. Thank you guys for, you know, having fun, you know, interacting with me, just everything. And yeah, that's what we do on this channel. Welcome. Thanks for watching. I got goals today. Throw them through for your boy. And I'm out. What do you got?